In Elite Technique, the all-in-one fence software, sending the most complete and customized proposal is as easy as falling off a log. While in the automated CRM dashboard, go into the Open Lead stage, choose a lead and click on View. Click on Create Proposal. Draw your fence and add your gates to get a list of materials necessary to complete the job. Select exactly what you want to show your customer and preview what they will see. Edit products with options. Complete the checklist for both your install team and your customer. Estimate the BOM or bill of materials. Don't forget to hit save to complete the process. That's it. We're all set. You can even send your proposal directly inside your Elite Technique system via email with a click of 2 buttons. Thank you very much.
Work smarter, not harder. Elite Technique.